everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing some makeup product review and I'm so excited. We are working with Annabelle today and I'm so excited. Annabelle has sent me a box full of spring summer makeup collection, all of their new launches. I'm so excited to try all of them out with you guys, so let's get started. This is the box that I have. It is full of makeup goodies. I will be showing you everything one by one, and I am sitting actually outside. The weather is so beautiful that I can now sit outside and film, and the daylight is really nice, so you can actually see the exact product, how it looks on my skin. So let's get started. Annabelle sent me this little bag right here and I had to voice over because of the windy situation. I love the Tiffany color bag. This is so beautiful. Love it so much and keeping it. By the way, the makeup products that I have here doesn't have any foundation, so I was trying and testing my new Urban Decay. This is the Urban Decay Face Blonde Waterproof Foundation, and it is supposed to stay on your skin 24-hour wear, and it has 3% niacinamide and feel very much weightless, and that is what I was testing before filming this video. So if you want to see the application and all, you can see that on my Instagram, that is Sparkling Beauty B, where I have posted this foundation, the application and all. So this is the foundation of the day that I am wearing today. So first, when I was applying this, it looked a bit too white on my skin, but as I keep blending and blending, it actually really blended nicely, and the shade I have here is 17 Medium Warm. So 17 Medium Warm looks like a very good shade for me. About this foundation is it is water, sweat and humidity proof. That is what we need for spring summer, right? So today's video is all about your spring summer makeup. I really love the packaging of it. It looks very unique. You just have to squeeze the amount. Looks good, hygienic, and the amount of product is about 30 ml of foundation. You just squeeze it and apply. I use my finger at first and then I use beauty blender. I think I applied a little too much at the beginning and I realized that you don't need that much, like little few drops would be good enough. I will be linking down all the products down below in the description box so that you can find all of them easily. Okay, so I have applied my foundation, but I did not apply any kind of powder on the top. I really don't feel the need of it, but we have a powder here. This is the Annabelle setting powder. This is the translucent loose powder, and the best part is it is talc free. Let's take it off. I haven't used it yet, so we'll put it together. Yay! That's the best part of it. So okay, so yeah, here. So I have some products here, and let's just dust it under my eyes where I usually get like really, you know, oily. So yeah, that's how the powder is. Very lightweight and very nice. So this is the setting powder. Love it. It feels so lightweight. So this is the most amazing thing for which I was so excited about. This is the Radiant Trio Gold for all skin tone talc-free powder again, and it has coconut oil and aloe. So let's open this. Peel it here. Okay, so this is how the product actually looks like. So it has coconut and aloe, which is amazing, two wonderful products, and it is actually hypoallergenic, paraben free, fragrance free, so yeah, vegan, cruelty free, all the good stuff. That is why I love Annabelle so much. In Canada, you can actually find all Annabelle products at Shoppers Drug Mart and also Amazon.ca, which is so convenient. Now with a big chunky brush, I'm just taking the product in a swirl motion and then applying in any area. When I see this kind of huge pan, I just feel like putting the product in all over my face. That is like, it feels so good. I take it like this a lot. look, do you see? It has those beautiful shimmer. So gorgeous. Love it. Like, you barely see the product, but it is giving such a beautiful glow to my skin. I'm so obsessed. I'm just coming to the sunlight so you can see. You see, it's a shimmering glow. It's beautiful. I actually love to apply it to everywhere in my neck area, chest area, as much you see, because it gives that beautiful, you know, the shimmer. It's so nice. I also area. Yeah, it's so gorgeous. So much in love with this. This is a product that you absolutely need to try. So after that, we have a blush here. So this is the gorgeous blush. You see the color? I love that these are like very mild, like not you know, too bright colors, but give such a natural look, because the theme is actually spring and summer. That means you want to look very natural, but at the same time you want that glow, you want that, you know, very natural looking flushy skin. So this is what it is all about. Into the blushes, and then this kind of blushes actually allows you to, you know, just go blindly as much you want. Such a nice peachy glow. It's so beautiful, so natural, and you cannot go wrong with it. You can apply as much you want, but still it is not overboard. You will look like pretty and more pretty, you know. So I'll go on my nose, which I love these days so much. Apply on my chin a little bit. These days I'm just blushing all over my face, so I'm just taking and putting everywhere possible. So now it is the trend actually to, you know, blush a lot, and I am totally on this trend because forever blush is my favorite part of the makeup. So now it is the trend, so how can I resist myself from, you know, you cannot get enough blushes in your life. So after that comes this highlighter, such a beautiful champagne-y highlighter. So it also has vitamin E and everything is talc free. Amazing. So now I'll be taking this with my smaller brush and just see. Ooh, look at that. Oh wow, I am impressed. I have so many high-end blushes and bronzers and highlighters, but guys, this one, can you see how glowy it is? I am just so happy. This is going to be my go-to. This is going to be my go-to highlighter for sure. Like, this is absolutely stunning and so lightweight. The, you know, sparkles are so fine, like it's melting on my skin beautifully. Let's apply on the other side as well. And on my nose. This is so, you know, mild, so, you know, fine that even if you use a bigger brush and you put it all over your face, still you can't go wrong with it. Perfect. So next we have a lip liner here, and this lip liner is the is this 300 Spice. So anytime you give me a lip liner or lipstick called Spice is my color. I absolutely love this type of tone, goes so well with my skin tone, and in fact with any skin tone. So this is called Spice, and I have already used it one time. I'm in love with it. First of all, these lip liners are pretty sturdy. They don't just break. A lot of the high-end lip liners even break so easily, but this one doesn't break. It's very strong. I have used their other shades before and I'm pretty familiar with it. So I'm just going to, you know, line my lips. This color is so gorgeous. Wearing this and instantly my lips look a lot bolder and nicer. So yeah. what is this? It's Hydra Plump, so it's a plumping lip gloss. So we will be using this gloss right now, and this is called plumping lip gloss. So let's see. The applicator looks a little bended, a little curved, which is so helpful to apply the gloss perfectly. Color looks obviously pretty, but it is on the little lighter side than what I love. Little lighter for my liking. It is a little washing me out. I can still make it work applying this liner, or probably a little darker liner would even look better, but I think I would prefer something, you know, mixing it with something. So let's do one thing. So I have this from Tower 28, which is a burgundy kind of lip gloss, which I have been wearing so much ever since I got it. It's such a beautiful shade. So let's apply it on the top and make it work better. Now it's better. Gorgeous. I use it all the time alone, but yeah, I can make it work whenever any lip product, the color, if it doesn't work good, I just apply it on the top and that's all. Next, I have two eyeliners from the brand, and they are different colors. One is this blue one. So this blue one is a matte eyeliner, and the shade name is 100 Caribbean Blue. This is going to be a stunning blue for spring and summertime. Their pencils are so good for sensitive eyes. I have used this before, and this one, eye pencil, is a satin eyeliner 166, pretty pink. Because of the windy situation, I had to voice over all this part. So we have one matte and one satin. So here you can see the swatch, and I believe it is for your waterline kohl pencil. Look, this one. This is so pretty, absolutely prettiest blue can be. Now showing you their new release mascara. Look at the wand. This is the thin version. This is such a cool idea. I think it is very, very innovative because we really needed this kind of wand. With the help of this wand, you can easily reach the smaller eyelashes, the smallest ones in the front part of your eye, and also helpful for lower lash line. When I first saw the mascara, I thought it is the one that I already have, but no, it is a different one. The wand looks smaller and thinner, so it is a new one. But the one that I had previously, the regular one, is also amazing. It makes my lashes look longer, curler, and thicker, and so easy to take off. I did the blue liners. I'm so in love with the color. It is giving me like the perfect spring summer vibe. Now we have another eyeliner. Look at that. How beautiful is the packaging. I love this cute ever packaging. And this is called Free Spirit Annabelle eyeliner, 24-hour liquid, high shine, felt tip, and this is waterproof. So this is actually what I love. Felt tip. This is so easy to... Ooh, look at that. If you haven't used Annabelle, I will highly you know, request you to check them. I'm so like absolutely impressed, and they are like very much, you know, compare them with any luxury high-end brand where you can get them actually for a really good price. So lastly, I have this you know, setting mist. This is my favorite. Ever since I got this, I haven't used any other. Like, I always used to use my Urban Decay one, then I use my Charlotte Tilbury one. I love all of them, but this is not any different from those, and this is just, I love it so much. This is the other one. So this is the new one I got, and this is the one that I have been actually using. So let's do this. Oh, it is so good. It just only not sets your makeup, but it feels so refreshing. I love the freshness, and this is actually a wet, so this is actually an energizing setting mist. So it has ocean scent. Okay, I never really read the backside of it, but now I know that it has ocean scent. That is probably the reason I love it so much, because whenever I apply it I feel so fresh, and I actually apply it whenever, even if I don't need it, I keep applying. I love it so much. Like, highly recommended. So that was everything from Annabelle, and I have talked a little bit about some other makeup products as well that I have used today. Anyways guys, I love this brand so much, and not only this time, I have been using it for a long time now. I have many of their products on my collection, and also I bought so many Annabelle cosmetics for my mother, because I know that this is going to suit like all ages and everyone, because whenever you age more, you want something that doesn't make your wrinkles like so visible. You want something very mild that just blends with your skin, and I truly believe that Annabelle does that. And especially those who have like sensitive skin, their eye products are just so wonderful. So I gave my mom, and she's so happy so far. She said like she really loved the product, so I can really confidently tell you guys that you can enjoy Annabelle. Check the brand. I hope you will love a lot of products from them. Comment down below if you loved today's video. After a very long time, I have done a makeup related video. Let me know in the comment section, how did you feel? If you liked it, whatever you liked it, are you going to pick up anything from Annabelle? Let me know everything in the comment section below, and I will see you next time.